Inventory management is all about having your stock, prices, and sales numbers at your fingertips, isn't it? Stock numbers and prices are quite dynamic in nature, and you need to up your game to keep your system synced accurately and in real time. Well, there are multiple ways to update or change the stock and prices manually in Orderhive. Quick stock adjustment and quick price adjustment features in Orderhive helps you make fast and smooth changes in the stock and product prices as and when required. You can also record the reason for the update. This can be done from Products List page itself. Let's first see the process for quick stock adjustment. Go to the Products page. The dotted line under On-Hand Quantities signifies those are editable fields. Click on the on-hand quantity of the product whose stock is to be updated. In the pop-up window, enter the new quantity in the New On-Hand field. You can also specify a reason for the change. And then click on Update. You will notice that the available quantity will change too, since it is the difference between the on-hand and outgoing quantity. You can also do quick stock adjustment on opening the product detail page. The reason entered while updating can be seen in the inventory logs of that particular product, so you can identify who among the users made the changes and why. Now let's check out the similar process for quick price adjustment. You can update prices for products directly on Orderhive, which eventually will update the prices on integrated stores as well. For this, you need to make sure that Price Updates settings for the corresponding store or stores is on. To turn it on, go to Settings and select Stores. Then click on the corresponding store and turn on the toggle button for Push Price Updates. For quick price adjustment, go to the Products page and click on Store's price icon below the product name. Or you can select the respective store's price from the drop-down in any of the three rightmost customizable columns. In the subsequent pop-up window for quick price adjustment, enter the new price in the Updated Price field. You can also record a reason for the price update if needed. Prices for individual pricing tiers like buy price, wholesale price, etc. can also be updated here. Lastly, click on Update. This will sync the updated price to the online store as well. The price update logs can be seen along with the reason on the product detail page. That's about it. Hope this feature makes your work faster and smoother. If you have any queries, don't forget to chat with the Orderhive expert now. Happy selling!